signatory not drawer of cheque, not liable to pay interim compensation under Sec. 143A. Bombay High Court. The court was dealing with a batch of petitions having the following common questions of law. 1. Whether the signatory of the cheque, authorized by the whether the signatory of the cheque, authorized by the company, is the drawer and can be directed to pay interim compensation under Section 143A of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. 2. Whether a deposit of a minimum sum of 20% of the fine or compensation is necessary under Section 148 of NI Act in an appeal filed by persons other than drawer against the conviction and sentence under Section 138 of the NI Act. The signatory of the cheque, authorized by the company, is not the drawer in terms of Section 143A of the NI Act and cannot be directed to pay compensation under Section 143A. Case title: Liquor Labs Limited and Anra v State of Maharashtra and connected cases. Salamaka share follow.